recall. So it's very necessary to have your running notes and the diagram, whatever you want, whatever can make you understand, do it without reading it 3 times. Anything. Supposedly you want to make history notes. Supposedly, apart from class notes, what will you do? Read it. You want to make notes of NCERT? Good. Read it. Ma'am, can you please tell majorly which type of notes we should make other than module you have provided? You can make your own notes, but no one will make notes without reading it 3 times. Anything. Supposedly you want to make history notes. Supposedly, apart from class notes, what will you do? Read it. You want to make notes of NCERT? Good. Read it 3 times, then make notes. Because if you make notes in first or second reading, you will lose the essence. Problem is your notes will not capture the essence of that book, and when it will not capture, उसी को revise करके जाओगे, उसमें से question नहीं आएगा, question नहीं फंसेगा, है ना? We have to be really sure that we have captured the essence, and generally for most people 3 readings are sufficient enough to capture the essence. Fine. Okay, ma'am. Other than material received, running notes mandatory to do? Yes, running notes are really good. Whatever teacher is teaching, so you will forget after some time, and by the time you will be giving mains, the ethics I am teaching you here, gone. Will you remember it exactly? But if you have notes, even today I make notes, yaar. Why can't you people make notes? Even I make notes. So make your running notes always, because the moment you are listening and writing, that thing is getting registered. Next time you will open it and you will get to remember, ma'am ने यहाँ पे ये बोला था. Has it happened to you? Yes. है ना? यहाँ पे ये बात हुई थी. All those things you will be able to recall. So it's very necessary to have your running notes and the diagram, whatever you want, whatever can make you understand, do it. Fine. Anything else? Current affairs notes we will provide. Don't worry. Apart from that, current affairs is something which has no limit. है ना? It has no limit. You can take 2 or 3 sources, and always take 2 or 3 sources for current affairs. So we will be providing you notes. So we will be providing you notes for current affairs. है ना? Tathastu notes. You can take any other notes which are faring good in the market. So generally, Vision makes good notes. Right? Current affairs 365 or whatever the booklet is. That is also good. You can also take newspaper. Right? Newspaper reading you can do. There are certain magazines also some people follow. Fine. So you take it from 2 or 3 sources and then don't make your notes in current affairs. How will you consolidate? Very important question. How many of you love your books? Current affairs don't love your books. Peel off the paper. If you have something good, so supposedly you have taken this as your base notes. Fine. Whatever we are giving you. Supposedly, we have given you something on bioethics. Supposedly. है ना? या फिर अभी वो चल रहा है ना GM mustard thing is going on. We have given you 10 points. But then you see some other notes and you find, oh, there are these 5 points extra. What will you do then? If there are small points, add it there. But if too much material is there, then take scissor, cut. हाँ होता है, लेकिन टाइम भी ज्यादा जाता है. Again, there are 2 types of people. People who learn through making notes. People who learn through more revisions. है ना? You have to choose which type you are. If you learn by making notes, then make notes. But remember, it will take a lot of time. Yes, it is writing practice, but you people don't write fast. You people have not learned vertical reading and scanning. वो मैं बताऊंगी, अभी नहीं बताऊंगी. अभी बताती हो तो तुम सब कुछ स्कैन करने लगोगे, है ना? So we will do that after some time. Let us, first build your basis, and then I will tell you and teach you how to read vertically. Till then, don't think about that. If you like making notes, make notes. And there are some things which we don't understand till the time we do it. Face it. Hai na? When you start making current affairs notes, you will realize the quantum. It will not just get bulky, it will become unmanageable. It's impossible. Yeah. Yes. So right now you people know this much current affairs. You feel, अरे इसके तो notes बन जाएंगे. But then you will after some time realize that current affairs grow exponentially. Yeah. And with each new topic, there are so many points that you have to do. Yeah. If you make it on paper, then no space to add new points after some time. And if you put scattered, then again problematic. So you have put banking here, economic current affairs here, है ना? Repo rate data here, inflation rate. How will you write it in your answers? No, not possible. है ना? If you have to make notes, make it topically. है ना? Not current affairs notes. Those are topical notes. What is topical notes? According to one topic. And this is how mains questions are asked. Do they ask you, फलाने क्वार्टर में रेपो रेट क्या था? They don't. Because they ask you from a general topic. And whatever current affairs you have read from any source, you have to utilize it there. That is why note making should be only topical, not current affairs notes. Can you understand the difference between the two? Fine. Anybody who is not able to understand the difference between current affairs notes and topical notes? Everybody understands it? Okay. Because news will come daily. Supposedly, there is this Manipur incident that has happened. Yes. Really horrific, really soul-breaking instance that has happened. If you follow that crisis of Manipur daily, that's current affairs notes. But will there be a current affair question? There is a topical analysis. So what will you do? You will make only one heading. Manipur violence or crisis. Everything, anytime, from anywhere, from any note, from any book, anywhere, should be found here. Bas, khatam. So if the question comes, you will be better able to put it. So under which article such violence can be controlled by the center? Is there some means? Is there? What is the responsibility of state government? What is the social dimension of it? What is the economical dimension of it? What is this? This is crisis of Mighty and Cookie. Why? Can you understand? Is there any data? Is there any instance like this? So what is this? Crisis of humanity, not just a law and order. This is crisis for humanity. You should mention. Is it there an ethical angle? Yes. All of these should come in one notes. So when you are writing your answers, they will come as. But if you have written social, your mind will not able to gather them in appropriate time. Okay? Don't worry. Make your topical notes. Else, of course, we will be identifying these topics for you and we will have dedicated lectures for that before your meals. Before your मेंस। फाइन। ओके मैम, यूट्यूब की डेली एनालिसिस देखनी जरूरी है, आते जाते खाते पीते देख लो, है ना, कोई ऐसी बात नहीं है। देखो